Have you ever marveled at the incredible navigational abilities of birds during their long-distance migrations? Many bird species undertake arduous journeys spanning thousands of kilometers, twice a year. They rely on an array of navigational cues to find their way, including the Earth's magnetic field, the position of the sun and stars, and even recognizable landmarks. This remarkable instinct allows them to reach their destination with astonishing precision, highlighting the extraordinary adaptations and innate intelligence of these feathered travelers.